What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. You may think, what can hackers do if they hack into a smart home? But there's a lot they can do if you're careless. You worry about keeping your phones, laptops and tablets secure, but what about your smart home devices? The most dangerous are your smart locks and Wi-Fi cameras. If hackers hack into this, you know it is bad. They'll be able to unlock your smart lock and enter your home without even breaking in. They will also be able to check if you're home by taking a look in your camera feed. This could also jeopardize your privacy, as you may do some things thinking you are alone in your home, but they are watching you. The question is, how can you stay secure? 1. Most smart home devices are designed to be easy to use. They don't really come with much security features. The best way to stay secure is to check if they are accessible from the internet. To check this, you can use the Internet of Things scanner. Links in the description below. This IoT scanner scans your network to see if any of the devices are on shutdown. Shutdown is a search engine for Internet of Things that are publicly accessible. The devices you'll find on shutdown include security cameras, printers, routers and many other devices when it's connected to the internet. Apart from that, there isn't much you can do. It depends on the manufacturing companies to include some sort of security interface in their devices, which leads to my second solution, which is to buy smart home devices from top brands. The reason I say you should buy from top brands even if the price is a little high is that this is your home security we're talking about. A place you live, keep your stuff and retire to after work to rest and have fun. A place where you will have your family. Therefore, the best you can do is to buy smart home devices from reputable brands like Nest, Philips and Amazon, at least for the safety of your family or you yourself. These companies have reputations to uphold, therefore they are less likely to secure their smart home devices. This doesn't mean they are unhackable or 100% secure, but it's a lot better than some cheap Chinese devices that can easily get hacked within minutes after it was set up. I'm not condemning those brands, they surely have lots of great products, but you know what I mean? We're talking about where you live. If hackers hack your phone, tablet or computer, they get access to a lot of stores, but if they hack your home, imagine how big this can be. The last tip here is don't joke around with your password. This is a little obvious, but a lot of people share their passwords in public places, halls, over phone conversations, in classes and many other places where people could easily overhear their conversations. For example, texting your password to a friend in a crowded bus. Even if a hacker doesn't know you or wish you any harm, they may consider that as an opportunity, you know. Who doesn't love free stuff? In short, don't be careless and don't trust all your friends. A plumber or repairman might come to your house and you give them the password to your home because they seem innocent, but my friend, they might be playing you. Seriously, don't you watch movies? Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, all you have to do is click the subscribe button on the screen right now and you'll become part of our YouTube family. Remember, tech is big. Thanks guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.